Dr. Raymond White is the Dean of the University of Rhode Island's Department of Engineering. He says the department is working to the best of its ability, but he has one big problem. The department's buildings are falling apart. One example is the consistent power outages.
There were times here when too many things were on at the same time, and the power would go out in certain sections, and then have to be reset.
Dean White says that an architectural company from Philadelphia named Ballinger assessed Bliss Hall and came up with a master plan.
They realized we had a very high quality here that we had and very strong student body, but they recognized that the structures, the facilities itself, needed to be replaced.
Ryan Carrillo, Director of Capital Planning and Real Estate Services, says things will improve with the new master plan. In the first phase, 5 buildings, Crawford, Wales, Kelly Annex, and Gilbreth, will be demolished. In their place will be one large building.
We're demolishing about just shy of 100,000 square feet, and we're going to be building about 182,500 square feet.
The 5 older buildings have been around since the 60s, and officials say more students are on the way.
Well, engineering has already expanded. So when those buildings were built, we only had a student population of about 300 engineering students. It's 4 times that plus now.
Phase 2 will involve demolishing Bliss Hall and putting a new building in its place. This is part of the current campaign for the Vote Yes on 4. The money, if this is passed, will be completely dedicated to the renovation of Bliss Hall.
Phase 2 is the renovation of Bliss Hall and an addition on the north side of the building. And that's the current referendum for $25.5 million is question 4 in November.
The construction will begin in 2017, with the first 6 months dedicated to the demolition of the 5 engineering buildings.
So for the College of Engineering, we will spend the first 6 months demolishing the 5 buildings and doing utility infrastructure work on the site. And then we will start the construction of the new building.
This 2-phase project is just one of many. There are currently 2 more projects for a new visitor center and a new residence hall that will also take place next year. In addition, there's a list of 45 other projects to come with funding from the state. There's a list of these projects on the state's website for the coming fiscal 2017-2018 year. Rosemary Boucher, Multimedia Journalism News.